Limits to growth. Chapter 5, Lesson 2. Limits to growth. Think about it now that you have seen how population typically grow in nature. We can explore why they grow as they do. Limiting factors. Limiting factors are factors that control the growth of a population, acting separately or together. Limiting factors determine the carrying capacity of an environment for a species. Density-dependent limiting factors. Density-dependent limiting factors operate strongly only when population density, the number of organisms per unit area, reaches a certain level. Density-dependent limiting factors include competition, predation, herbivory, parasitism, disease, and stresses from overcrowding. Competition. When population become crowded, individuals compete for food, water, space, sunlight, and other essentials. Predation and herbivory. Predator-prey relationship. In predator-prey relationship, population of predator and prey may cycle up and down over time. Sometimes the most population on easily royal grows large enough that most become easy prey. For wolves, when wolves have plenty to eat, their population grows. Herbivory effect. Herbivory can also contribute to change in population number. Humans as predators. In some situations, human activity limits population. For example, humans are major predators of codfish. In New England, fishing fleets, by catching more and more fish every year, have raised cod death rates so high that predators cannot keep up. Parasitism and diseases. Parasitism and diseases causing organisms feed at the expense of their hosts, weakening them and often causing disease or death. Stress from overcrowding. Some species fight amongst themselves if overcrowded. Density-independent limiting factors. Density-independent limiting factors affect all population in similar ways, regardless of population size and density. Actually, weather, such as wildfire, can act as density-independent limiting factors. True density independence. Sometimes, however, the effects of so-called density-independent factors can actually vary with population density. Controlling introduced species. In hydral neutral environment, density-dependent population limiting factors keep it under control.